Be careful. Cut those corners. I need it. Earth, I'm coming for you. So close, Earth. Oh, and guys, I just want to say I'm sorry that I haven't posted in a long time. I've just been super busy. No, I died. No. I'm so close to Earth and I just died. Okay, Earth's right there. No! Oh my god, I was gonna be like, did I just die at the end? Okay. Oh my god, these are disappearing. Wait. Oh my god, this doesn't disappear. Break time. And break time. There you go. There's Earth. We're so close. I can see that Earth is right there. Wish I could just hop right onto it. Boom, boom, boom. Earth, I'm coming for you. Right there. So close. No! Oh my god, I was gonna be like, no, I just saved. But I didn't. Yay. Jump back down to Earth and close your eyes. Okay, let's close those eyes. Okay, we're at Earth. We're still at McDonald's, though. Okay, let's go to here. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. So these French fries. I am so sorry, French fries. I just have to
I have a half
step
rib I
on
serve
you.
right now. This doo-doo face just killed me. Human still? I can. Go.
Oh yeah, the kitchen is a bit messy. Get to that door up there. Not sure if that's ketchup or lava. Wait, better not fall in it because I don't want to die because of lava. I died. Okay, there we go. We made it. Looks like the door is locked. Find another way out of here. The vent! I'm literally in a room with lava. Okay, this is a risky life escaping from McDonald's. Ooh, some money, some cash. Money, I want money. I fell. Oh shoot, maybe this will help me get out of McDonald's. Ha ha ha. Good luck getting through this. Can easily get out of this. This is so easy. I died! But I have 2 lives, I guess, even though you always have 1. No, I said again. I will get through this. See, watch me. Bye. And it looks like you'll have fun watching me escape. Exit? Exit. Nice job getting away. Now let's find the right door. Want this door? Or this door? Or that door? You know, it's probably the last one, so let's see. It is blue. So, that one. Show you. Not this one. Need to escape. We found it! I found it. Oh, I was gonna be like, we're gonna have to remember the door that was. I was gonna be like, how you think we're gonna be able to do it? I don't even know what door. This, okay. There we go. I didn't know pizza was in McDonald's. Or soda. I didn't know soda was in McDonald's. Wait, was it? Wait, yeah. I'm climbing up a fire pole right now. Thank you so much for helping me. It's about time. Watch out for the mustard on the ground. Ew, mustard. Yuck. Let's go forward. This thing go any faster? I'm trying to escape McDonald's here. Well, I'll continue the video when I finished going all the way through this. Finally, I did this. It says, keep going, don't give up. I won't give up. I'm going to show the manager and everybody that I can beat McDonald's. And that I will escape from you. And I'll tell everybody in the world to never go to McDonald's again. I don't want you to go through this. This is unbelievable. I don't even know what this is on the ground. What if it's like toxic or something? Beach balls? Where do you get this from? You're really trying to like make it so I stay at McDonald's. No, I'm not. And as soon as I do, I'm gonna be in trouble because as soon as I escape from me, I'm telling everybody. I'll show you guys when I'm done with this because this is really hard. Okay, guys, I just went through a portal, so yeah, let's continue. Okay, I'll be done with, I'll continue the video when I'm done with this also. Okay guys, we finished, but, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and the next video is probably a reaction video. So, bye guys! Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!